Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and today I'm here to do the unboxing of the ROG phone. So this is yet another gaming phone. I kind of wanted to get it to see how well this can fight against the Razer Phone 2. So let's go ahead and just unbox this and see what this is all about. As always, my unboxing knife. It's the best knife around. So we're gonna go ahead, rip this plastic off. Put the knife away. And this packaging is different. Of course, you can even tell that before opening, but it's shaped fairly different than what you're used to or what I'm used to. And this, let's just see, this is the black 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of ROM. 6-inch full HD display, and then it has, says a fan. 12 megapixel and 8 megapixel camera, and it's the Snapdragon 845 variant. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And this is a little different than I'm used to. Let's see. Oh, okay. So what it has is a little tab. So you undo the tab, and then here you have it. And that's pretty cool. And it says Republic of Gamers on the tab here. And you're with 3 little sections here. And then of course in the middle, you have the phone, the device itself. And it's got weight to it. This is a decent weight, because I thought that the OnePlus 6 is light. This feels a little heavier than that. So let's go ahead and put the device right here for the time being. And let me flip it around. And it's just a pull tab to get it out. And we'll pull it out, and this seems to be some type of an adapter. So we'll pull it out the plastic here. Put that to the side. And it has a little bit of give to it. And this allows you to plug it into the phone and use your headphone, as well as charge the device up if you need to. So this is a nice accessory. That is the difference right there, just between the Razer phone and this phone itself. It's modular. It's gonna have things that we can put on this device to make our gaming experience better, and that's a good thing. Okay, and then lastly, in here, I'm just gonna assume that it's just the charging cable, the brick, and that's it is. And here you have, it says Republic of Gamers right on there. It's only on one side, and then it is USB Type-C. So let's take that off and put that right there. You have, not sure what these are actually. I'll have to figure that out. I'm not sure what this is. If anybody knows, let me know. And then a nice braided cable. I'm feeling that. And this is a thick one actually. This is a really thick braided cable. And on the inside, there's no color like I'm used to with the Razer or even the OnePlus 6T, but this seems like it can handle, it seems pretty decent, pretty long in length. And so you'll go ahead and plug one end of it's USB-C to USB Type-C, which is good. And then this will go into your phone. Okay, and that is about all that comes in the packaging. So we'll just go ahead and try to put it back as nicely as we can. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a manual, so they don't just leave it high and dry. So in this, underneath here was the manual. And we'll open it, and you have your SIM ejection tool. So that's pretty cool. And here you have just your manuals and how to care for the device, registration, or Asus warranty card. That's good. And then some stickers, which I'm not really sure why, but so that is that, and that's everything that comes in the package. But what I want to do is see, let's go ahead and put this off to the side, and we want to see the device. So we'll go ahead and pull the plastic off, and that feels nice. Feels really nice. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty sure that this lights up. So going around the phone, we have, let's start from the bottom, and that's where you'll charge it up. That's the type C. So you'll put your charging cable in here. I believe that there is also the microphone here. Then look at this. You don't see too much of this anymore because you're getting all the dongles, but you have a headphone jack. So that is awesome, but you got no headphones. So you win some, you lose some. It is what it is. Then going over to the next side, you have the power button, your up and down volume keys. Then moving right along, looks like you have another microphone here. At the top, microphone, and on the side here, you have the SIM tray to put your SIM in, and you have, I'm not sure what this is. So right here, I don't know, I'm not quite sure what that is. So let's just see, does this phone have expandable memory? Because that would be good to know. So I'll go ahead, use my SIM tool to go ahead and eject the tray. And it looks like there is no expandable memory with this. It is just two places to put your SIM card. So you don't have any expandable memory, and that's kind of on the downside of it. Especially for a gaming phone, you would think that you could put extra memory in it. So let's go ahead and boot the phone up. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. So Republic of Gamers. Wow. Woo, that vibrated. Okay, so I'm just going to set it up real quick. Give me 1 minute. And there you have it. It's nicely set up. And we'll see. There already is an update. We'll say it later. This is the Game Center. I don't know if you can see this. That seems pretty cool. And then the CPU, you can see the GPU, the memory used, the storage used, and this is the 128 gigabyte of storage that I got on the phone. You can even turn the fan on. So the way that all the stuff that this phone has already, to me, it seems like it's built a lot better than the Razr phone. It's actually more comfortable to hold in the hand. It's not so sharp, and this seems like a true gamer phone just with the functions here in the Game Center. Hey guys, so I had some time to actually play with the device a little bit more and figure out certain things I was uncertain of when I first unboxed it. So now a few of these parts make a little more sense. So for instance, in the beginning of the unboxing video, I wasn't quite sure what these parts or these pieces were for, and come to find out, they're just extra pieces in case you lose this. And what this is, it's just a covering, and as you see, there's ports in there. So it covers up the ports when not in use. And what do you mean not in use? It's for this, the fan or the cooling accessory that came with the phone. And what you would do is, as you see, it has the adapter right there. It would go right into here. So if we wanted to use the fan because we're doing some intense gaming, we would just open this up a little bit and place it into the device like so. And with doing that, you see the accessory now is lit up. So it knows that it is plugged into the phone. So what you can do, as I said, you can go ahead and put your headphones in there and charge the device if you need to. But I think that's a pretty cool accessory. And this, plugging this in, will allow you to go ahead and turn the fan on. So you can go ahead and turn the fan on once this accessory is connected. So I would just go ahead and unlock the device. This device does have facial unlock and a fingerprint scanner, so that is good. So see, I have it plugged in and it's giving us a little warning. Docking the ROG phone on an accessory with fans may affect the audio quality and recordings. Let's just show you the game center again now that the accessory is plugged in. And I can actually feel the fan. I don't know if you can hear it. It's kind of quiet, but so right here, you can see that the fan is in fact on. And then you can mess with the fan speed if need be. Right now it's on auto, but I'm not really doing any type of anything for it to go off for the fan to be needed. But I can take it off of auto so I can adjust the speed of the fan myself manually. So I can go all the way up to high. And now listen. And you can feel it, it helps on your, you can feel it on your hands, you know? So that is a pretty cool feature of this device, which is making me really like this device and most likely gonna make me return this one. This phone, the display, it's a 90 hertz refresh rate compared to the 120 on the Razr. But for everything that this phone has, minus the wireless charging, but it's not a big deal because the Razr phone's wireless charging was pretty much a joke to me. This has the facial unlock. It has a fingerprint reader. And also, it's just way more comfortable to hold in the hand. And I can get cases for this fairly easy. This one, I'm not spending $50 for a case. So this is the phone plugged in with the fan and the accessories. There's also a squeeze factor to this, and that makes X mode come on. So that's another feature. But let's say we wanted to go ahead and play some PUBG. You can see load up times. You can hear the audio quality. Okay, so it is loading. That's pretty quick. I'll go ahead and get my shirt. Okay, so we'll just skip all this and I'll start the game. So here I am, no clothes. Where's everyone? Where are all the people? Ooh. That fan feels very, like it helps prevent your hands from getting sweaty while playing it. I haven't noticed this phone getting as hot as the Razr phone did. But again, I have the fan accessory, which is extremely useful and helpful. So the match will start here shortly. Okay, so I like to drop, mostly I like to drop in the middle of the map. Alright, so I'm going to just drop here. Put the map away. I'm falling. Go ahead and help my situation. Let's go a little quicker. And the sound, the audio quality on this, to me, sounds well balanced. The ROG Phone gets loud, but it gets distorted when you have it to the max. This is the perfect balance of everything you want in audio. Okay, now that I am landed, go. There's nothing there. I have nothing. This is not going to go very well for me. All I have is my fist. Did I really just beat this person up with my bare hands? I did. Now I'm dressed and ready to go. So this is the ending result after playing PUBG. I got in first place with 12 kills. And this is the temperature of the device after the gameplay. This concludes the unboxing of the ROG Phone with a little bit of gameplay of PUBG. Until next time, peace.